Alright guys, so this collab is with NsyDijaXO here on YouTube. She's also on Instagram. Please go ahead and check her out. Show her some love. I'm going to have the music play. I have everything I used held up in the video and written down for you guys. So please enjoy this another installment of some Carnival looks. Thanks guys, and thank you so much NsyDija for doing this collab with me. Mwah.
Hey no, the Jama say on the whole youth, yeah man of a prison outside. So I want you alone to preach Jesus Christ. All of the people them will beseech each and every one. Understand when me a teach. Yeah me know. Me and the Lord go way back like a tape recorder. At the age me name and Jesus and my father. And him feed me and make me fat and me no maga. And he make me life so easy and it coulda harder. So anywhere me go me big up for me Jaja. And him a give me strength like me phone pan a charger. I know me nah go left and go over the border. Cause closer to me is the Lord more than my brother. Me say seek the Lord before you die. He is right before your eyes. Seek the Most High and keep him close by. And me say seek the Lord before you die. He is right before your eye. You need the Most High. Don't try. Any man deny the God, me no say him no sober. A Jesus Christ me say I represent Jehovah. And nobody can make me come off of the road. And me have the Lord in me heart that me prouder. So turn up for me mic and make me chat it louder. And for me Lord Jesus Christ me is a soldier. Pan Calvary cross them drive nail to him and make him blood run like when you pull a soda. He say seek the Lord before you die. He is right before your eyes. Seek the Most High and keep him close by. And me say seek the Lord before you die. He is right before your eye. You need the Most High. Don't leave and don't try. I'm gonna die. So seek the Most High and keep him close by. Don't leave and don't try. And I said the whole youth here man, if you praise the Most High, Jesus Christ, you know. So take this opportunity for accept him in your life, you know. Yeah, what me tell them say? People, hear me now. He say seek the Lord before you die. He is right before your eyes. Seek the Most High and keep him close by. And me say seek the Lord before you die. He is right before your eye. You need the Most High. Don't leave and don't try. He say seek the Lord before you die. He is right before your eyes. Seek the Most High and keep him close by. And me say seek the Lord before you die. He is right before your eye. You need the Most High. Yeah. So still saved. What the bowlers? Controllers. Yeah, me a say now. Hey, Christian life it's a the hardest. Oh, me a stay safe like a artist. Even now me make a this a place I know me hardest. Oh, me a stay safe like a artist. When me touch the street, me don't go see nobody can this. Oh, me a stay safe like a artist. Father, me shield and me banana can this. Oh, me a stay safe like a artist. Everybody who dey on the street and on the corner ready. The Lord himself he born again, although you born already. Satan him a look for me, but tell him say me gone already. Inna me shield of faith and dress up and me got my armor ready. Father God him carry me through the storm already. This is a spiritual warfare. Cup and this me shine already. Satan and him army them a get this arm already. Bomb already. It's like say me holding a Osama maybe. Me no care if blue I step I use that in him song already. Man a devil killer devil I forget killer for me show. If him show up and me show and me perform already. This is a Armageddon when them gonna bed and gonna trap the wake up shaka. All of them all I think I done already. Christian life it a the hardest. Oh, me a stay safe like a artist. Even now me make a this a place I know me hardest. Hey yo, me a stay safe like a artist. When me touch the road me nah go say nobody can this. Oh, me a stay safe like a artist. Lord, and me shield and me banana goddess. Oh, me a stay safe like a hard. Hey, Christian life it a the hardest. Oh, me a stay safe like a artist. Even though me make a this a place I know me hardest. Oh, me a stay safe. Them say a Christian you are not, so you cannot be an avanat. Watch how me a step on some carnot, cause some of them heart dirtier than Kiamat. Them say them save like a hard disk. Some of them fi cat that go format, and some harlot. Show up a heavy show and me perform at. Cause them see me park up in a the car lot. One give me all number fi call back. So she want come chill out bill and all that. But I and I me living fi Christ, cause him dead for me. And me know say them nail what them run through him format. Now them a show up where I'm at. Man a step up in a life cool warm at. We a boy lot. Jesus make me high like a pilot. All who a exalt themselves, them salt like they married to the guy lot. When me say me a stay safe, me no mean me a save up for buy lot. Me a stay safe like a artist. You know what I mean? Heaven is my place, this earth, and me on this. Me a stay safe like a artist. And when me touching on the street, me not gonna say nobody can this. That's why I say God bless, regardless. Boy, time really I get rough, and it's I get rougher. The Lord talk about long suffering. The devil say kill yourself and get rid of your problems. The devil is a liar. God bless. One day me no better must go. In no poverty me nah get accustomed. Me a go stay on the right path. Even though Satan want come tell me say left I must done. Me have to make the door and if a chef I must done me. No police nah go catch a bus gun. One day me know say me have to step up in a life. Even though right I know all of me step I just go. Me know the Lord a go answer to my call. And him a go pick me up when I fall. Like Joe, me still a get the Lord my all. When don't feel a kill me and me mouth full of white swall. No because you live a red hills and me down a white hall. Nobody look down for me cause me know the height all. One day me know say me have to own me own a business. Right I know me just a set up my style cause me know. One day me know better must come. In no poverty me nah get accustomed. Me a go step on the right path. Even though Satan want come tell me say left I must done. Me have to make the door and if a chef I must done me. No police nah go catch a bus gun. One day me know say me have to step up in a life. Even though right I know all of me step I just go. Step on the right track me nah go get off. Nah go argue and go on like say me a get off. Sky at the limit and me a go take off. Nah depend for me friend a mountain say fi let off. Nah sit down with me and pa me jaw like me a fret off. Me have to get a slice of the cake and me probably take off. Nah turn no criminal boss say me a make off. And the boss man when him store a clothes and him a check off. One day me know better must come. In no poverty me nah get accustomed. Me a go step on the right path. Even though Satan want come tell me say left I must done. Me have to make the door and if a chef I must done me. No police nah go catch a bus gun. One day me know say me have to step up in a life. Even though right I know all of me step I just go. Yo, time I get tough, it tougher. Oh yes, time I get tougher. praising God. We're praising God. All of the ones of the Lord Jesus Christ. Praising God. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna lead them. In the sky we're praising God. Tell them so we gonna lead. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them and we wanna wait. Lord will put it way. At the end of pass and in the link and in the check where we gonna lead. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them and we wanna wait. God will protect me. At the end of pass and in the link and in the check way. Lead like a fast car, speed like a NASCAR. Yes I am a real African star. So me ask them what me stopping one car. Them they want see me up in that car. And when the bike pull over me stop in that car. It's like them want see me back in that car. And I spanner every cent for me have. But in a life you know say me top in that car. Them watching the news we see that him got scar. And they be no disappointed just because me anointed. Them see that him got far. Tell them the amazing God. In the sky we be raising God. Every day you know we praising God. We don't praise Satan cause like say mother raising God. So we gonna live till the Lord is all on it.